Hey guys, Hector here, HP Bushcraft. Just wanted to show you guys my quick my cook kit, my ultralight cook kit for when I just go on a quick hike or scout or something. Got the Big Cedar Summit spoon for, I'm actually going to be trying out a mountain house today. And here I got my titanium windscreen. And then I picked this titanium cup. It's a 750 milliliter Tom shoe. Nice little lid. And then I have this other, got it off of eBay also. Folds up, fits in here nicely. Got the BRS. And a lighter here. Mini Bic. Got my hot lips and the gas canister. In the description below I'll put in all the weights and of everything, or everything combined. Alright, I got 6 ounces of water in here. Let's get this baby going. And we're not even going to put up the windscreen this time. Trying out the single serve beef stew. And that's it, she's boiling. Nope. Thought it was hot. It's not too bad. Yeah, it is a little bit. Because I had that flame roaring, you can see it coming up over the cup. Alright guys, welcome back. Got the beef stew ready. Like I said, I've heard a lot of people say that this is their favorite one. This is their favorite one. This is the best one. Let me see what I think about it. I let it sit for a little longer, for like maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, everything is good. It's hydrated. The meat is, and the broth or whatever it's made in is tasty. It's a pretty good experience for it being my first time. And that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.